Hi, I'm Bea from El Mundo Eats. Today I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious melt in your mouth cookies with only using 4 basic ingredients. These cookies are super tender and they have an amazing milky flavor to them. And you know what? They are ridiculously easy to make. These cookies are perfect for any celebrations. In Malaysia, we call them Milky Arabic cookies or Biskut Arab Susu. The other day, Marco asked in our community, where are you guys from? And we are excited to know that our community is based from all around the world. And most of the couples are immigrants or expats like us. That's nice to know. We know that each country has their own version of these cookies. Mamo cookies, polvorones, nut-free snowball cookies. Let us know what they are called in your country and your variations. Leave us a comment down below. Okay, for now, let's get baking. 1 1/3 cup of butter at room temperature. Whisk for 4 to 5 minutes until it's fluffy. Traditionally in Malaysia we use ghee, but where I live in Spain it's not easy to find, so I use butter instead. If you're an expat, you know the struggles, right? My secret for this recipe is using lots of powdered milk. Here's 1 cup of it. We're gonna mix for a minute or 2 until everything is well combined. Two and a quarter cup of all-purpose flour. We're gonna add it in 2 additions so that the flour mixes better. Remember, once you add flour with the wet ingredients, don't overmix things. You're gonna have a dough that looks crumbly like this, but don't worry. Grab 1 tablespoon of dough, press it, and the heat of your hands will make the dough comes together. Roll it into a ball, and that's it. Bake at 350 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. You're gonna put them 2 times in powdered sugar. The first time is when they're still warm. I usually wait for 4 to 5 minutes after they came out from the oven. The powdered sugar will stick better to warm cookies. And then we're gonna let them cool completely. The sugar will make a sticky layer, and that's going to make the second coating more beautiful. You can see the difference here between 2 coatings and 1 coating. As always, written and printable recipe is on our website elmundoeats.com. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you on the next one. Delicious. It really melts in your mouth with amazing texture, milky flavor. I love everything about it.
Babe, what are you doing?
No, nothing. I'm working. I'm doing voiceover.